Integrations is where you connect the outside tools that make reddgrow's work visible and durable. Connect Slack so you never miss a draft, connect your website so reddgrow can publish content there directly, and connect Google so you can prove Reddit's impact on your traffic. Let's walk through all three. First, notifications. Click Add to Slack, authorize your workspace, and pick a channel. Public channels join automatically. Private channels need one invite command first. Once connected, two things land in that channel: a daily digest every morning at 9 a.m. UTC, and draft approvals you can act on without opening reddgrow at all. Change the channel anytime from this card. Next, website publishing. Pick your platform: WordPress, Webflow, Ghost, Wix, Shopify, or a signed webhook for anything custom. Each card tells you exactly which credential to grab and how long it takes. Squarespace has no publishing API, so that card points you to the webhook instead. Only one website connection is active at a time. Connecting a new platform replaces whichever one is currently there. And connecting here doesn't start publishing on its own. The content agent's on and off switch lives on the content page. Flip it on, and reddgrow starts turning targets into published pages on the site you just connected. Last, search and analytics. Connect Google Marketing Platform once, then pick your Search Console site and your GA4 property. Reddgrow backfills 90 days of history within a minute and keeps syncing from there. Here's the payoff. On performance, 3 tabs light up. Traffic Lift compares your website traffic from before you started reddgrow to after. Sessions, users, clicks, and impressions side by side. Keywords shows where you already rank in Google and which titles are costing you clicks. Traffic Sources breaks down every channel sending visitors to your site, so you can watch Reddit sit alongside search and social. Without this connection, you only see engagement on Reddit. With it, you see what that engagement does for your website. That's integrations. One Slack channel that keeps you in the loop, one website where your content actually goes live, and one Google account that proves the impact. Start free at reddgrow.ai and connect yours in minutes.